bloody stupid bird keeps flying into our windows or tapping on the glass. Drive me nuts. I've been sent here by someone just to annoy me. Come on, I'm filming you now. 15 seconds of fame. Where are you? Come on, you're on camera now. So you wanted? These are all the marks that this dirty bird has left on the window. And I'm so scared this idiot is going to end up breaking his neck. And with me being such a soft, I'll have to end up looking after him. Disabled bird. Doesn't that seem fair? So bird, just stop doing this. Just stop now, okay? That's all I'm going to say. Bye bye.